A building surveyor in Faridabad plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and compliance of buildings. These professionals are responsible for conducting thorough inspections of structures to identify any defects, faults, or potential hazards. By assessing the integrity of a building surveyor can provide valuable insights and recommendations to mitigate risks and improve the overall quality of the structure. In Faridabad, where rapid urbanization and construction are prevalent, the need for competent and qualified building surveyors is paramount. One of the key responsibilities of a building surveyor in Faridabad is to ensure that all construction projects adhere to the relevant building codes and regulations. This involves conducting regular inspections at various stages of the construction process to verify compliance with safety standards, structural stability, fire safety measures, and accessibility requirements. By closely monitoring these aspects, building surveyors can prevent potential accidents or incidents that may put lives at risk. In addition to their regulatory role, building surveyors in Faridabad also play an important role in assessing the condition of existing buildings. These professionals conduct detailed surveys to identify any defects or issues that may compromise the safety or functionality of a structure. By identifying these problems early on, building surveyors can recommend appropriate repairs or maintenance activities to ensure that the building remains in good condition and continues to meet the required standards. They provide valuable input and expertise in evaluating design plans to ensure that they meet safety standards and are practical to implement. By collaborating with architects and engineers, building surveyors can help create designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and compliant with regulations. Building safety and compliance are crucially ensured by a building surveyor in Faridabad. These experts are in charge of doing in-depth inspections of structures to find any flaws, deficiencies, or potential threats. A building surveyor can offer insightful analysis and recommendations to reduce risks and enhance a building's overall quality by evaluating the integrity of the construction. The demand for knowledgeable and skilled building surveyors is critical in Faridabad, where fast urbanization and construction are pervasive. Assuring that all construction projects follow the pertinent building norms and regulations is one of the main duties of a building surveyor in Faridabad. At various phases of the construction process, this entails conducting routine inspections to ensure compliance with safety regulations. A building surveyor in Faridabad is essential to verifying the compliance and safety of buildings. It is the responsibility of these experts to do in-depth inspections of structures to find any flaws, deficiencies, or potential hazards. A building surveyor can offer insightful analysis and recommendations to reduce hazards and raise the overall standard of the structure by evaluating the integrity